Right, good news. The van's all fixed after about 6 months. Mark Hopkins done it. Absolute genius. So clever. He's had a new EGR valve cooler, new EGR valve, cleaned EGR valve, new oil filter, what else? New coolant. Basically it goes like a dream. It's amazing. Anyway, let's see if the MOT's gone through or not. Back in a bit. Few advisories, let's have a look at them in a minute. Anyway, happy days. Better get it taxed. First day back in the van for 6 months, been off the road. It's really filthy. Goes like a dream where it's all been serviced and that. Anyway, guess where I am? Celebration camp for the night. See in a bit. Look at that, MOT pass with a broken shock. Maybe they just thought it weren't worth replacing. That's weird. Oh well, whatever. This is looking a bit tatty since I removed it. Let's see what we can do with it. Oh, that looks better. Much better. Much more tidy. Right, Mark said I should check the coolant level, so I'm just going to do that now. Right, it has gone down a bit. Hopefully it has had a long ride. Hopefully if I fill it, it will stop doing that. So, but there's no steam coming out of it or anything, so fingers crossed. That's that filled up again. Went down a little bit, as you could see. Just got to get all the little bubbles out because all the coolant was drained and then refilled. So yeah, looking good. There you go. Starts first time. No steam, no smoke. Cleans the whistle. Happy days. Just got to clean it now because it's absolutely filthy. Especially because it was up against the wall. Oh, bloody filthy it is. Anyway, that's another job for later. And as I said earlier, these things are rubbish. Look, they've already corroded. They've only been on there a year. So I'll have to hammerite them. Not happy about that. Don't buy them off of Amazon. Anyway, speak to you later.